we're going. Right, okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to Practice Like a Pro. So, I've just done this month's lessons, and while everything's set up, I thought I'd try something a little bit different. So, one common theme that I see among all the Facebook groups that I'm part of and the various sort of places that I lurk and post my lessons and sort of try and share about what I do, is this common theme about your hand positioning on your guitar. Now, every book I've ever read on learning how to play guitar or a certain guitar technique, page 1 of the book is how to sit with the guitar, how to hold the guitar, and where to put your thumb on the guitar. Even so much as to some guitar teachers, more traditional ones, will put a sticker on the back of the neck to tell you where to put your where to put your thumb. And whenever I play in my studio space when I'm teaching lessons, I'm always asked, why do you put your thumb over the neck? Now, I'm 6'3" and I've got hands the size of shovels. I need to be able to put my thumb somewhere. Now, the traditional sense of how to play the guitar, let's just look at that for a second. If I put my thumb on the back of the neck, it looks really good in a picture, does this. Now, what I'd like everybody to do is play a C chord for me and take your thumb, wherever your thumb is, and push it out. Now, let me go back to my ear cam. Just look at what's happening to my shoulder. I'm having to contort, and it's like, drop your shoulder, push it out. And I've been guilty of this in previous lessons that I've done. In hindsight, thinking about it, if you have your thumb over the top of the neck, it's out of the way. And also, you can use it as well. Jimi Hendrix used to play bar chords. Instead of playing like this, he'd play the bar chord and then play the bass note with his thumb. You know, some you know, that's it. And I actually play. When I've got to do a fair few bar chords on top of each other that are all the same shape, my thumb goes over the top. Sometimes I get criticised for that, and I don't understand why. It's not like when you're lifting heavy weights in the gym, and if you're doing it wrong, you're at risk of injury. I've played guitar like this for a long time, and I've never had any kind of issues that have been brought about because of my thumb. I can see myself, I can feel all this tension like this. And I can feel it going up into my shoulder. Main point of this is, there's a couple of things you definitely shouldn't be doing. Your thumb shouldn't be down here. The idea is, you should be able to press, hook or by crook, either side of the neck, to pinch and get a good grasp of a fret. But like when I'm playing like that, I'm using that part of my thumb on the convex of the neck at the top. I spend a lot more time with this part of my thumb over the arch of the neck than my thumb under the convex of the neck. Now, I don't know whether it's just me, please do let me know in the comments, but I feel like everybody makes such a big deal about where to put your hand that they never achieve anything. They can't see the wood for the trees. Yeah? As long as you're not doing this, or you're not contorting yourself to the point where it hurts to play, the whole point is to avoid injury. If you're not getting injured while you're doing it, what's the problem? Yeah? I feel like everybody's too busy shaking the finger telling everybody what to do, and there's poor people online trying to learn how to play guitar, and it's like, oh, I can't do that because I'm not going to throw names around, but so-and-so says this, but then so-and-so says that, and then I read this article on guitar.com that says this, and then my guitar teacher I got that confused, I went to go see a guitar teacher and they said that. What's the problem? We all just started doing it to strum a couple of chords on the couch. Some of us went further down the rabbit hole than we intended, or we didn't know the rabbit hole was that big. But just play your guitar, man. Come on. So just a bit of a thought, a bit of an exchange I've had today that just sort of made me think about this. Don't worry about the where your hand position is, as long as you're not going to hurt yourself as a result of it. Now, next question is, well, how do I know that? You'll know. If you're uncomfortable, you'll know about it, and it'll hurt. But if your thumb's over the top, as long as it's out of the way, that's fine. If you like that position and it works for you, great. You keep doing what you're doing. If it's underneath slightly, okay, that's fine. What we don't want is underneath or up, that far over. Let me go to my B cam. Or that far over that you're touching the headstock of the guitar. It should be roughly in the same vicinity as your index finger, and it can be anywhere, as long as you're getting a good purchase. As long as you're getting a good purchase on the string. What's the problem, man? Rant over. I'll see you next time. Keep practicing like a pro. Cheers.